So weird, bro. Travis Scott. I don't have his number. I'm gonna call Shaq. Shaq's in Paris right now, bro. I don't even know if, like... Citrus, I just realized I met you IRL. I literally met Citrus IRL. He was at my house. What the fuck? I just realized that. You're lucky. Thanks for the 5 gifted, motherfucker. You're not taller than me. Shut the fuck up. You're literally small as shit. Who should I call, bro? They're not picking up, bro. They're so weird, bro. Oh my god, bro. Miles, baby. Fuck me. Miles, when are you gonna get me on Blackish? I can't wait to... Fuck. Not you, though. Not you. I'm calling up T Grizzly. Call Eminem's daughter. Like, what? Bro, oh my god, bro. Why does nobody pick up? Babyface. Oh, let me call Blueface. Let me call Blueface. Blueface, baby. Yikes. Chat, what do you guys think he's gonna... I feel like he's not gonna give a fuck. He's not even gonna give a fuck. I'm gonna ask when he wants to get back on the stream, too. Fuck it. Bro! 'Bro! Call Brawny. Alright. 24K golden. Oh, Blueface is calling me. Yo! Yo!
What's happening, bro?
I'm streaming. 2 things. When do you come back on the stream?
Man, that's you. You keep flaking on me. I'm supposed to be here this week.
Alright, fuck it. We'll do it this week then. Also, I just want to let you know that I hit 1 million on YouTube.
Wednesday.
I hit a... Okay, cool. I hit 1 million on YouTube.
Hey, congratulations, bro.
Thanks.
Wednesday, I'm coming through, bro. Don't book nobody. Don't do nothing.
Okay, I can't wait to see you.
Alright, you gay motherfucker.
He's actually funny as fuck. Shit. Wait, chat, he just threw up a sign or some shit. I don't want to redo it, but like... Actually, I'm not gonna do it. Bro! Call Brawny. I already did. It's time to call the SSB boys up. I'll call Brawny and I'll call everybody else up. Add me out like a light, like a light, like a light. I'll call up Snaggy. Okay, let me call Snaggy up. Hey, gang. That's what he's gonna say. Call Lil Yachty. Alright, bet I'm gonna call him up right now. Hey,
baby.
Snag, I hit 1 mil.
You did?
Yeah?
I'm gonna make you bust 1 million nuts tonight after I suck your dick.
You are?
Yeah. I'm gonna celebrate though. That's not even a celebration.
What's the celebration gonna be?
I don't know. Whatever you want, cause you hit it. Hey, I'm proud of you though, for real, my nigga. That's a big accomplishment.
Thanks, babe. Let me mute my stream real quick. Okay, it's muted. Snag, I wanna fuck you so bad. Oh my god, for 1 million, I'm literally gonna give you 1 million back shots.
Please, I would enjoy that a lot. I really want your dick.
You do?
Like, I'm horny for you. I miss you. I miss you, man.
What would we do right now?
If I was to come pull up to the house, first off I would come butt ass naked.
You would just show up like that?
I was gonna fuck.
You would show up like that?
You said what?
You would just show up like that?
I'll just show up butt naked and just
Holy fuck.
Just let you have my body. Just let you have it.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna talk to you later.
Alright, bro.
Alright, what the fuck? Call my dad. He's not gonna be up right now, bro. Who else is I gonna call, bro? Who else is I gonna call? Oh, Yachty, 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 Yachty. Boats. I want a little boat to... Yo, I'm live right now. I just want to say I hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I want to just tell you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Don't say no gay shit. I swear to God, bro. Don't say no gay shit, bro.
I wasn't going to.
What's up?
When are you coming back to LA?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out now.
You are?
Yeah.
Do you miss me? What? How is that even... Should I call my security guard, chat? Should I call Charlie? Nah. Chat, Charlie is so weird. Should I call Charlie with his Instagram? Bro, oh my god. Screener, let me fuck your dad. I already called Julio. Call DDG? Alright, let me call DDG. Yo, I hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I'm live. I just want to tell you.
Congratulations, man.
Can we celebrate by fucking? Bro, like... Oh my god, he smiled too. Call Steve, we'll do it. I'm gonna call the Nelk boys. Sure, why not? Call your Rage? Oh, yeah, I gotta ask your Rage when he wants to play the scary game. Everyone, listen. I want to, like, again, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for literally helping me do this shit, for real. You guys want to be in a Nelk video? Would you guys watch it? Call Nav? Alright, I'll call Nav. Nav, baby, come in me. Call Duke Dennis? Alright. Ow! Fuck! I just stubbed my finger! Fuck! Alright, I'll call Dookie. Doogie Poogie. Why does nobody really like me, chat? I'm calling Big Dick Duke. Dookie!
Yeah, what's up?
Dookie!
Bitch, what's up, nigga? What's up? What's wrong?
Dookie!
Bro, you just said my name like 4 times in a row.
I just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
What?
Yeah, Dookie.
Ah, good shit, you ugly ass nigga. Hey, good shit, man. I'm proud of you.
When you coming out to LA?
Shit, probably like next month. What, June? June? Yeah, June.
Alright, when are you guys gonna announce that thing? I'm streaming. That's...
Okay, yeah. That thing, you know, it's still in the works, you know. So, yeah. Hey, but look, though. When I come out there, we're gonna do a boxing match. I'm gonna knock your ass out. We're gonna 1v1, and I'm gonna smack the fuck out your neck.
And then we're gonna fuck.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, I seen your video, and you was like, you coming out and shit. I knew it, bro. You know.
Wait, what? No, I didn't.
Listen, I just want you to know.
Bro, I didn't come out. I'm not...